Welcome back, KASPA traders, lovers, investors. Today we talk KASPA KAS, another price update on the KASPA chart. Guys, make sure to like the video, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell, and drop a comment. Look, guys, there is a chance. Obviously, we told you about it. Now we believe KASPA is going to pull back short term. Okay, we're going to talk about potential areas it might pull back into. But again, remember, this, by the way, this is anything we say here is not a financial advice. And remember, I'm bullish on KASPA. I think KASPA is reversing here. I think KASPA has bottomed here. But again, you don't know. You never know. Okay, so look, this now had it looks like it completed its first run up. Okay, you had the first run up. We talked about it. It had three legs up and four and two down. Okay, three legs up and two down. It was a first leg up. It looks like a first leg up in the bull run of KASPA for 2025. Okay, so you had your leg one here. That was your second leg correction, third leg here, fourth leg correction, fifth leg here. Complete the one leg of the Elliot wave cycle. Hopefully, that will take us to new all-time high this year. But again, as we speak, in a bull market, you're going to have period when prices are going up, and you're going to have periods when prices pulling back or going down a little bit short term. Okay, so now we told you we're looking for a correction, the corrective leg of KASPA. That's actually the second leg. Okay, so let me clean it. So you had your first leg here completed here. That was your first leg. Again, that's what we speculate. That's what we speculate. Now we are inside the second leg, corrective leg. Okay, the second leg is always corrective. That's how they move. You have one bullish, two corrective, three bullish. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the second leg to be completed, probably early June to be completed, and then moving to the third leg of KASPA into probably again, it's all speculation, probably into these levels, to the 1.5, to the 1.8, maybe even to the all-time high. Then another corrective leg, and then a breakout into new all-time high. That's what we believe. Okay, that's what we believe is KASPA is gonna do. Again, that's what we speculate it's gonna do. But as you know, there is no guarantee in the market. We could be wrong on that. And again, we trade it. Okay, we trade it, and we told you guys there is a chance it's gonna roll over here. There is a chance it will roll over here. And now we broke below the 200-day MA. Okay, so this is the 200-day MA, the green line. We're now testing the 50-day MA. You can see we broke above the 200-day and made a fake out. Okay, that was a fake out breakout here. You can see this. It broke out and came back down. Okay, so again, KASPA can pull back, and it's normal. It's normal, and that's why we are a big proponent of selling into strength, selling into the rallies, because usually you get rally, then you get a corrective rally, corrective pullback, and then another rally. So you take profits on the rallies, then you wait. If you're a KASPA hodler, investor, or a trader, you wait for or you can go short. By the way, if you go short, you need to know what you're doing. But anyway, you wait. Then for the corrective level to be finished, whether it's gonna bottom out here, or whether it's gonna bottom out here, or whether it's gonna bottom out here, you wait for it to be over. Then you see it start gearing up again. Boom! You load up again on another swing trade, just like you did here on the breakout here or on the breakout here, a swing trade. Okay, and that's how you grow your account. Okay, now you don't. That's what we are against. We are against round tripping. Okay, so people that bought here, for example, the breakout, or bought here, or bought here, now they're round tripping their gains because they were up now all the way to the top. Let's say, what, not into the top, but to this area. These people that bought from here, 70%. Now they're round tripping. Their gains are getting cut. The gains are getting cut. Why? We don't want that, guys. We want here, this channel is all about making money with trading cryptocurrencies. Okay, you up in profit, take profit. Take your profit, pay yourself. Take your profit, sir. Always take your profit. Always protect your account. Always manage risk. Okay. Now KASPA is going into the corrective leg, and let's look on some areas you want to pay attention to for buying the dip if you want to. Okay. So anyway, this is the fib levels. We're now testing the 50% Fibonacci. Next one is the 618 is at 82, and the 78, yeah, the 78 something here, it's at 69. All right. So the fib level, your next fib level is 83, and the other one is 7. Okay, it can definitely pull back to the 7, and you know what? It can even pull back into this area. Okay, this area of buyers. That's where the buyers are coming. You can see here this area of this area of like buyers. You can see here it bounced very strongly from here. Here, obviously, that was the double bottom. So it can come back and retest the 7.5, the 7.5, even the 7, and it will still be bullish in a grand scheme of thing, in the grand picture of thing. You know what I mean? So you have leg one, maybe a correction, boom, and then another leg up. That's our speculation. Again, if you are in KASPA, if you love KASPA, just trade it, man. Just trade it. Take your profits. Always protect yourself. And that's actually an amazing thing to do if you like want to grow your KASPA holding. So, for example, let's say you bought 100K KASPA here, for example. Then you sold it here for whatever. You sold it here. Okay, you sold it all here or here. Okay, so now let's say you started with $100K. Okay, $100K. You sold it here. Now you have let's say make it 150. Okay, you have now 150. Now you wait with your 150, boom, and let's say it goes back here. You go another 100 with 150 here on the lows. Then again, it's going up again, boom, and then you flip your 150 to let's say 300. Okay, and then you sell it, and then you go down again, and then you buy with the 300, and you flip it to 600. Okay, that's how you grow your wealth with trading cryptos. Okay, that's with swing trading. That's the idea of swing trading. And yeah, man, really make sure to cook the like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell, sir. Make sure to scan the QR code on the upper left corner to join our webinar. We're hosting a webinar on finding the best crypto coins for the next to buy in the next bull run, in the next Bitcoin, on the next Bitcoin pullback. We're gonna give you a list of the best performing coins that we believe are gonna make really significant moves in 2025. You better get your spot with the QR code. Scan the QR code and get your spot in the webinar, man. It's an amazing webinar. We're going to teach you everything you need to know about trading crypto in a bull market. Also, make sure to join our community. Link below. Let me show you a trade we took in the community 10 days ago or something. That was in May, 19th of May. That was a ZBCN trade. You probably know what happened to ZBCN. Show you the ZBCN chart. Look at that. That was the trade. Look at that. We had actually two trades, but this trade was the first one. We bought it at 196. We tripled the size on 217. Look at ZBCN. 2 entries, man. Our members printing. That was 19 and 217, man. Members are printing money on the runners. Already locked in profits. Max gain 200% on the second entry and the first entry. Max gain again. On the runner 280%, man, while KASPA is doing nothing. So really consider joining our membership, man. We're gonna help you profit. We're gonna help you make profit, man. We're gonna guide you. We're gonna help you. And yeah, you can follow us, follow our trades, man, with the link below in our VIP service, man. Check it out. See you in the next video. Cheers.